What's the meaning of boho chic? Boho chic. Boho chic.
Boho chic. Boho chic. Boho chic refers to a fashion trend that combines bohemian style with a touch of sophistication. It features flowing fabrics, earthy tones, and natural textures such as suede and tassels. The look is often layered and accessorized with jewelry, hats, and scarves. The style emerged in the early 2000s and has since become a popular choice for music festivals and summer events. Boho chic is all about expressing individuality and freedom, creating a relaxed and effortless vibe. It's a versatile style that can be dressed up or down, making it perfect for both casual outings and formal occasions.